How to connect your Riot games with your Twitch account on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Twitch. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner, click here and click on settings. It will take you directly to this page as you can see. Now all what you have to do is simple. Click here on connections. After you click on connections, now scroll down and you will find Riot games. Now click on connect from here, and as you can see you will be able to connect your account from here easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.